Repair and fix your credit score right now. Choosing us over the usual common repair credit companies that overcharges for little or no success is not fair to you and your wallet. The only way for you to strengthen your credit to an 800 score, you must always be involved personally. There is only so much a credit repair company can do to help you with your credit, and they would not tell you that, because it's all about the cash. RepairCreditFix.com should be your only choice to repair, strengthen, create credit trust, and maintain your credit health at all times. We have managed to create a system that would help you, or you can help others to fix and maintain credit health. You can actually repair credit to remove derogatory information, strengthen your credit, raise your credit score, create credit trust, higher credit loan approvals, maintain your credit, keeping up your credit score, at all times at a low cost from an honest company. All you have to do is go to RepairCreditFix.com or to your app store and download Repair Credit Fix. Make sure before downloading you verify it is our app. Our email address is repaircreditfix@gmail.com. Our contact number is 1-800-857-1933. Our service is available 24 hours, 7 days a week. Live customer service is available Monday through Sunday, 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Do not wait. Sign up at RepairCreditFix.com and repair your credit now.